Yeah, and we have another question coming in from Aman. He's asking, which manufacturing industry do you feel industrial automation 4.0 is most applicable for?
Oh, yeah, that's a good question. But first of all, I believe that you see it everywhere, right? You see the impact on and new solutions coming up. If everybody that is looking or having solutions in industrial environments here, when they look into the next development steps or next generation products, then this is a big theme. But for sure, I mean, if you take the factory automation side, industrial automation, this has been impacted by years already now. And then super smart networks and ways of handling data to optimize your production sites. So this is definitely one of the places, right? But on the other hand side, we also know that also from let's take the Danfoss case here, so monitoring supermarkets, for instance. So this is super interesting, right? So we already have a lot of computational power in the supermarkets. We have a lot of systems that are connected together and so on. But then again, take the advantage of having all this computational power and this monitoring system, the connection to the networks and so on, and then also make the whole supermarket control. All this actually run over the same environment. So I mean, there are tons of examples here. So how this will, how Industry 4.0 will change our world.